This is where we can head into the business area and update our titles, websites, emails, phone, a brief description about our business, plus we can also go ahead and categorize ourselves, whether we're a plumber, a tech agency, art and design. Here's where you put your address information. Opening hours are in here as well. Not to mention this time we've now got your social media channels, whether it's Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, you name it. There may be an opportunity to update your picture. Let's choose one that's existing on my hard drive, plus the logo as well. Try and find a logo that displays best in a circle. We recommend a white background. Maybe you can find a video link as well. We've got Vimeo, YouTube, all of them. Just copy and paste the Vimeo link in there and you can upload. Different membership tiers have different gallery options, plus also video options. Please check it out when upgrading your plan. Have fun and enjoy your new profile.